Curious to see who is on your store right now? Viewing real-time visitors is not just cool, it's useful for launching and testing. I'll show you where to look. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Seeing live activity helps you understand immediate customer behavior. Your built-in Shopify Analytics has a Live View section. This shows a map of current visitors, their location, and what they're doing on your site in real time. For more detailed real-time data, Google Analytics 4 has a powerful, real-time report. It shows a more granular view, including the traffic source and events that triggering as they happen. A crucial pro tip: use Live View during a new product launch or a flash sale. You can literally watch the traffic pour in and see if your marketing is creating an immediate buzz. It's the perfect way to gauge the initial impact of a campaign. And just like that, you can see your store come to life. Watching real-time activity makes your business feel tangible and dynamic. What would you do if you saw 50 people on your site at once? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to connect your store to Google Search Console. Thanks for watching.